Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Sabahul khair everyone. Inshallah, today we'll be having an asynchronous class as I have to attend a meeting for today. And inshallah, for today's lesson, I will focus on grammar, which is al-fa'l al-madi. Al-fa'l al-madi, as we have learned last semester, it's about past tense. So today we're going to see how are we going to form conjugation or verb conjugation based on fi'l madi. So fi'l madi is a verb that we use to indicate a certain action that happened in the past. So let us see first slide. Okay, al-ghaib. Al-ghaib means the third person, the one that is not with us. So we use the pronoun al-dhamair huwa, huma, hum, hiya, huma, and hunna. So based on this slide, as we can see, the verb changes based on the pronoun. For example, huwa dhahaba ila shati'il bahari. Dhahaba means when. Huwa for a person, so it becomes zahaba. Huma, zahaba. And then we have hum, zahabu. Hiya, zahabat. Huma, zahabata. Hunna, zahabna. So the verb change based on the pronoun. And then we have al-mukhatab, the second point of view, which means kata ganti nama diri kedua. We have anta, antuma, and antum. Anti, antuma, and antunna. So the conjugation for this verb is quite easy because it based on the last word, the last harf, or the last letter in anta, antuma, antum, anti, antuma, antunna. For example, anta, we use dhahabta. Antuma become dhahabtuma. Antum dhahabtum. Anti dhahabti. Antuma dhahabtuma. Antunna dhahabtunna. See, it's easy, right? And lastly, we have al-mutakallim, the first person or the first point of view, which use ana. Ana for either a male or female means I. Ana dhahabtu ila shati'il bahari. I went to the beach. So nahnu, it can be a two person for a female or male. So it becomes nahnu dhahabna ila shati'il bahari. Aina dhahabtu, nahnu dhahabna. And we can conclude all of the verb conjugation in a table, just like this. So, huwa dhahaba, huma dhahaba, hum dhahabu, hiya dhahabat, huma dhahabata, hunna dhahabna, anta dhahabta, antuma dhahabtuma, antum dhahabtum, anti dhahabti, antuma dhahabtuma, antunna dhahabtunna, ana dhahabtu, nahnu dhahabna. So I will sing you a song for you to remember. Okay, it goes like dhahaba, dhahaba, dhahabu, dhahabat, dhahabata, dhahabna, dhahabta, dhahabtuma, dhahabtum, dhahabti, dhahabtuma, dhahabtunna, dhahabtu, dhahabna. So it's quite catchy, right? You can use the same rhyme to actually memorize the verb conjugation for fi'l madi. So I will leave you with exercises. Okay, as you can see here, there are several exercises that you can do. Okay, what I want you to do is first, if you haven't seen any words before, like for example, you do not know the word sa'ada. So I want you to find the meaning of the word. So sa'ada means help. Okay, that's one. The second thing is I want you to write, okay, for how many person is the doer in a sentence. For example, Ana, so there is one person. Okay, so this is one person. It could be for male and female. So, you know, Ana حديقة الحيوانات بالأمس. I حديقة الحيوانات, the zoo, بالأمس, yesterday. Okay, so Ana, as we remember, it is زرت. زرت means I visit. Okay, and then we have the second one. Okay, we have Fatima. Fatima, how many person is Fatima? Fatima, we have one person as well. Okay, so we will write 1P. 1P. Okay, for you to actually remember. So, Fatima, we need to use the verb either anti or hiya. So, Fatima is a third person. So, it would be hiya. So, which one of these verb shows hiya? There are two. Qara'at wa shahadat. So, we look at the sentence. At-tilfaza ma'a ikhwatiha. Fatima, the television with his siblings. So, it becomes shahadat. Okay. So, I want you to write down, okay, the meaning as well as, okay, the keyword. How many person is this? Okay, you would do the same thing to the rest of your work. Okay. So, I can see, I need you to send or submit the work before 12 o'clock for your attendance purpose, inshallah. Okay, thank you everyone. I see you in the next class, inshallah. Assalamualaikum.